Good morning! Today I will clean my room. What is this?
Look! There is an old school bag under my bed. Wow! It looks very old. Let's open it. Did you see that? The bag is glowing. There is a notebook inside. Open it. It says, "Learning is an adventure." What does that mean? I don't know.
Welcome, Jyo and Chinni.
The notebook can talk. The room is getting bright. Hold my hand. What is happening?
Your adventure begins now.
Where are we? We are in a forest. Hello! A talking rabbit! Please help me. I lost my family.
Don't worry, we will help you.
I saw my family near the river. Let's go to the river. Follow me. Thank you, friends. The river is beautiful. Look! Footprints! Those are my family's footprints. Let's follow them. We found a bridge. I think they crossed it. Be careful. We can do it together.
My little rabbit!
Mom!
We found them. We found them.
Thank you so much.
Well done.
The notebook is glowing again. Where will we go now?
To the Lost Kingdom.
Welcome, travelers.
Why are you sad?
My golden crown is missing.
We will help you find it.
Let's ask people. Good idea.
I saw a monkey near the palace.
That's a clue.
Hello!
Do you have the crown?
I found it in the garden.
It belongs to the king.
Oh, I didn't know.
My crown!
Here it is.
Thank you.
We are happy to help.
You are very kind.
Time for the next adventure.
Wow! A giant clock tower. Why is everyone standing still?
Time has stopped.
We must fix the clock.
Let's climb!
There are so many stairs.
Keep going!
I found the problem. A gear is broken. Let's fix it together. Push! Ready? Push! Tick, tock.
Time is moving again.
You have completed all missions.
Really? What happens now?
One final lesson.
The greatest treasure is learning.
I learned many new things. Me too. Me too.
Keep learning every day.
We are back home.
What an adventure!
Learning can be fun.
Yes! Learning is the greatest adventure.
And from that day, Jyo and Chinni loved learning more than ever.